Here's my three closing remarks. Point number one: manage project dependencies. So you need to find out what projects are out there and which ones that may have a impact. I've done that before because I realize the importance of, if there's another project that may be tied to mine and that may be uh, putting me on hold because I can't go until that is done. So again, having the ability to manage those dependencies and follow up on those dependencies as well with the particular project manager. Point number two: navigating organizational politics. I know a lot of times we like to shy away from this, but as I talked about, you need to shy into it literally, because you need to understand that being able to navigate these organizational politics, and again, everyone is not playing politics, but for those that made that decision to play politics with you, you need to understand how to respond to that and understand who has your back and who doesn't, so you know how to move accordingly. And my last and final one, family, is communicating project status to senior management. Again, as I said before, every organization I've ever been in, it's you have to be careful with giving too much information too soon. You need to be able to have that information organized in a way where that you can articulate it, and someone should be able to know exactly where your project is at, if it's